So let's have a look at the easy mailing facility within GetBookedUp Professional Edition. It's under the marketing menu, easy mailing, and this opens up this screen here. And what we've done is put some easy filters in at the top left here, and if you click that down you can see we've got ones that just choose clients where the last job was 6, 12, 24 or 36 months ago. Let's have a look at the one that was 6 months ago. You'll see that's automatically populated this field in the filter section here that's last job. If we now just click the show clients button, it shows us that there's 6 clients that meet the criteria, so 6 clients that we worked for exactly 6 months ago this month. Now if you want to get a little bit cleverer with your filter, in this section here we can choose the client type, so perhaps just domestic clients that you're going to send this to. You could choose them to send them to just particular clients that have heard about you from a particular source. So if you want to mail everybody that heard about you from a friend, a referral source, and word the letter talking about heard about us from a friend, you can do that and choose that from the list in here. Or where did you get our telephone number from? So if you want to write to everybody that got you out of Google, you can choose Google in the list there and just mail those. Or you can manually choose this last job date here. So if I just delete that one there, if we click this little button here, selection box opens up and you can choose the criteria that you want to. So if you want to particularly choose somebody from a particular month, you can click the month option, click actual, and we could change that to January and the year's 2012. When we click OK, that pops into the last job field, and again when you click show clients, that's going to populate this with the 6 that match that criteria. You can also choose total spend. So if we tick this little box here, we get the total spend options. So we've got equals, more than, less than, or between. So again, you can grade your clients and split those out that way if you wish. Or you can just pick out the people that are repeat clients. So have they used you more than once? And again, that allows you to just word your mailing based on, you know, that you've been multiple times. So you can see how flexible that is in the way that you can filter the people that you want to look for. But probably one of the key ones that you're going to use is this postcode sector. Sorry, the postcode section at the bottom here. And you can locate all clients in a particular postcode area. So if I want everybody in the DN postcode area, let me just remove the last job date from there. If I now click show clients, it shows me that there's 709 people on this database in the DN postcode area. If I want to narrow that down to DN3, I can do, and click show, and that narrows that down to the 172. If I really want to narrow that down, you can almost get down to street level almost by going DN3 7A for instance, click show clients, and you'll find the 15 clients that are in that area. So let's leave that as a filter that's set there. What we then also do is, because we know that this is mailings that we're creating, we've got several exclude filters here. So the system will automatically remove anybody where we've ticked do not mail shot. It'll also automatically remove anybody that we've ticked moved on within the client record, and anybody that's marked as archived. And then there's 4 options here as well that you can switch on or off. If you untick the box, it will include people that have had a quote in the last 2 months. So tick the box and obviously it excludes those as well. The other option is with a job in the last 3 months. The next option is with a prospective job, so if they've got a job booked in the future. And also do not email. It may be that you've decided that you don't want to mail shot anybody that you're not emailing either, because it may be that you're following up an email. So you want to exclude anybody that's not got as marked as do not email. So that allows you to create a list of who you're going to send to, exclude people from that so you're not upsetting them. We've clicked the show clients button. We've got the 15 clients that we want to send this to. The next thing we just need to do is click the box here that says select document and printer, and then we choose the document that we're going to send, and that's one of those that you've created using the built-in word processor. So for instance, this is the 12-month reminder letter that you could have set up as standard. If you want to, you can amend that from here, so you can open this, amend this on the fly, close that down, and then we can choose the printer here, and when we click print mailing and recording the contact log, it does just that. It will print these 15 letters, mail merged in, and remember you can insert the mail merge fields within the built-in word processor, so you can merge client information into them as well as the name and address. So when you click print mailing, it sends those out and also records that in the contact log. What that means is when the client calls in, you can see this easy mailing displayed on the contact log. You can click that on the contact log line, click responded today, so that when you do your reports you can see how much business you've generated from easy mailing. If you're not wanting to print these yourself, we can click the option that's for data export, and there's the option here in the corner to record this in the contact log when you export it. So leave that ticked, and then you can click export for Excel, and that'll create an Excel file that you can send to companies such as DocMail or mailboxes, etc., that do online printing for you. The other option is, if you are a die-hard Word fan, you can also export this to Word and do it that way. So that's it, that's the easy mailing, a simple way to create a filter, find the people that you want, choose the document, edit the document if you want, and then print that and record it in the contact log, or export the data to an online fulfillment printer.